Pretty woman, walking down the street. Pretty woman. Hey, girl, you ready to change your look? We cut extra hair. Trendy coloring. We need extreme measures here!
Sammy, stop!
Uh-oh.
Sammy, what's going on here? Why do I smell something burning? Oh, it's your experiments again.
Actually, I was creating a new hairstyle for Stacie.
Using fire?
Yep, I saw it yesterday on TV. They did the same thing!
Sam, only super professionals can cut hair like that. Guys, be careful with fire. Don't repeat Sam's mistakes.
Yeah, I didn't think about that. You can burn down the house that way.
And, Sammy, did you really like the result?
I guess I overdid it. A little.
We'll fix this, Sammy. I think we can turn this beauty into an L.O.L unicorn doll. Let's go!
Wow, I guess something interesting's coming!
Hi, guys! To make a new hairdo for our Stacie, we will need almost nothing. Just a bunch of rolls of natural yarn and some standard tools.
Sue, I wanted to comb Fluffy. Have you seen? Wow, there's a hairbrush. What do you need it for?
I'm gonna need it soon. And by the way, we're making a craft here.
Whoa, Sue, what are you doing? We wanted to create a new hairstyle for Stacie, not make her bald.
We'll make a new hair for our Stacie. Could you unwind a little bit of yarn with different colors?
Sure. Will those be her new hair?
Yes, but first we need to get rid of the old ones. Guys, tell us about your favorite hairstyle. Comment below.
These will be perfect braids.
No, Sammy, these won't be braids. We'll make real smooth doll hair from the yarn, but don't rush. First, we mark the areas for each hair color. L.O.L Unicorn has colorful highlighting.
Say what?
Highlighting, Sam. It's one of the ways to dye hair. You're a hairdresser. You must know that.
I'm still a rookie, Sue. I can't know everything.
We learn by doing. Just imagine, Sammy. French Queen Marie Antoinette had a hairdo almost a meter high.
It's impossible. It's like 2 of your heads or even 3.
Yes, I guess it was a challenge for her to carry such weight. Moreover, such hairstyles served for months.
And how did Marie Antoinette wash her hair?
She didn't.
Ooh, the medieval people were weird.
Maybe they could say the same thing about us. We take baths a lot, cut our hair, and dye it in bright colors.
They would be shocked. By the way, Sue, why don't you color your hair purple? I'm pretty sure it'll look great on you.
I promise to think about it, but first I'll finish with Stacie's hairstyle. To think of it, Sammy, generally hair color is chosen to match your eye color or skin tone.
But I'm not just some ordinary hairdresser, Susie. I'm Samuel Decorator Hands.
All right, I'll consider your idea, but honestly, I like pink more.
Pink is out of fashion.
Sam, when did you figure out what's trendy and what's not?
Internet is a great thing. By the way, I found out that now the hottest haircuts are ones with bangs.
And we'll make 2 ponytails and a bang for Stacie. Important thing, the yarn is quite thick, so we'll leave parts of her head empty.
Sue, maybe we can leave these colorful braids.
Maybe next time. Now we need to brush the yarn thoroughly. Sammy, please bring me a flat iron and a hairspray.
Aye, aye, Captain Sue.
Call me Queen Sue. Guys, and you don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the bell button.
Look, Sue, I'm already a pro in hairdresser tools. Flat iron for straightening and hairspray for fixation.
It's a huge process, and I need a little bit of craft magic. Poof! Oh, look, so magical.
And I also decided to grow my hair.
Oh, well, an interesting idea. What for?
You can style hair into beautiful hairdos, and you know what an aesthetic I
Are
am.
you ready to wait for years? Hair grows very slowly.
Huh, I call it back. I'll just keep this yarn wig, which looks awesome on me.
It does suit you. You look almost like a rock star, and I'm almost done styling Stacie's hair. Guys, let's support Sam's transformations. Give a thumbs up. To make our Stacie look like the L.O.L unicorn, we need to dress her up in the same stylish way. First, a light tulle skirt. And bibbidi-bobbidi-boo! Just look how elegant it is for a true Lady Stacie.
Wow, Sue, you're like a real fairy godmother! I was thinking who I look like now, and I realized it's Aquaman. He has the same long hair.
Sammy, that's so cool. Could you show me a bit more of your creativity? Cut out the top for Stacie, please.
It's as easy peasy as eating a whole jar of M&Ms.
Well, that depends. I'd prefer a jar of fruit or vegetables. Guys, what would you eat as easily? A jar of fruit or a jar of candies? Comment below.
You know, Sue, I have deja vu. It seems that all this already happened before.
Oh, Sammy, I'm just done with the lower part of the outfit.
Do you know why we get that deja vu feeling?
Well, scientists can't fully explain this phenomenon. Maybe it happens when our brain processes the impulses from our sense organs twice. First, not clearly, and then the way as if it already happened.
Wow, Sue, the brain is a curious thing.
And there's another theory that we simply dreamt about it before.
This I can understand better. By the way, I found something.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. So let's dress up our beauty.
Now I'm satisfied. It's not just Stacie, it's L.O.L. Stacie Unicorn.
And just the accessories left. Sammy! Have you ever thought of becoming a jeweler?
Making treasures from other treasures? Ha! I am the best jeweler in the world already.
Oh, really?
Well, I can make crafts from cardboard, craft foam, yarn.
And what does that have to do with jewelry?
You know what, Susie? Not all that glitters is gold.
You are totally right. Could you please make small jewelry flowers for the headband?
Okay.
These ears remind me of Bambi. Comment below if you agree.
Do these look like jewelry, Sue?
This is super fine work, Sammy!
Ha!
We only have to attach the flowers carefully to the headband. 1, 2, and 3. And now, fashion show! Sammy, we need some dance music.
Sue, now our Stacie is absolutely magical. Shall we do the victory dance? Guys, give a thumbs up for our amazing makeovers and subscribe to our unbelievable crafts.
Woohoo! Don't forget to hit the bell button. This way you'll be the first to know about our new videos. Bye-bye!